Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 3.0 D350 X-Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in silicon silver metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those low light conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the silicon silver exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need. And once you open up the boot, you can see that this vehicle does in fact have a 7-seat configuration, allowing you to carry up to 2 extra passengers, and when those seats are folded down, you have a huge amount of space. You could easily fit in a pushchair or perhaps a large size suitcase. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have Isofix fittings, which is ideal for small children's car seats. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 4,097 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple and Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have your 4x4 information along with terrain response drive modes. Both these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain. Further helping you even more with that, you do in fact have an electronic air suspension to both raise and lower the vehicle, whether this is to make it ideal for off-road conditions or more accessible for you to gain entry. The front seats in this vehicle are in fact heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, and this is paired with a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, ensuring that you always travel comfortably no matter what. You also have a 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. This has been a presentation on Land Rover Defender 110 3.0 D350 X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.